Hey guys, I'm going to give you a quick run through of this new 10.1 Android head unit that I just purchased. Just installed it, really easy to install. Look at how that sits there in my car, nice. Sticks out just a little bit. And a lot of radios say that this jack here doesn't work anymore, your factory USB. Well, guess what? With this radio it does. You can still use your factory USB, the one that comes with the system, and they also give you another one that you can hook up in the back of the radio. So, is the radio working?
Settings
and I can use my
to allow location
steering wheel control here.
Change the setting to never. And
turn that up.
You know, from now
turn it
on,
down.
when you take pictures, it will not.
Okay. I can use it again here to go home.
Privacy.
So that works.
In the settings,
got the navigation right here.
A real life tutorial here. You go to your settings.
Working really nice.
You go to
right, there's your navigations coming up right there. Back to the home here. To the other Android screen here. You can go into the settings. Logos or anything like that here, so you can go into sound settings, right? Sound around. It's really nice. Then we can actually show you I think this might just cut off and go into the auto kit here, but let me just try it anyway. I'm hooking up the USB in here. When it does that, it will automatically switch over to the auto kit. And I'm running that from that same jack. Boom, there you are. It's loading my presets. It's mirroring what I have on the phone already. You're gonna have your Waze here. I have my Spotify there. I have my phone here, which all works with it. If I go back to this screen here, I can then split the screen between what I have on my what's playing and the actual GPS. So that's cool. Along with all the other features here, you can add your own apps on here. So these are the apps that I have on my phone that are showing up here on the display. And then nice and easy, you can go back home with that, or with the mode button right here, switch that right to back home. Okay guys, really good unit, really nice. Sounds great too. All right.